This is my shooting setup today. Main light is come from left side and the backlit and side lit for one leaf. Lights are all LED. Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image this morning and well, this is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Pretty nice, isn't it? Because pretty big data. Well, about lighting, this is everything is LED. I made some, well, I bought a light from Amazon and using this time main light from left, then a little bit backlit and side lit of the leaf from the right hand side. I was looking for the angle, which looks real nice angle. Then I think I found this angle. Pretty nice. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on this pencil drawing type image, then change blend mode to, well, screen color burn. This is pretty cool. Pretty nice thick color. Overlay. This is pretty interesting too. Vivid pin light. This is nice. Luminosity. Nice shadow blue color because of the window light from behind. There's light temperature is 4000 Kelvin, so that's why window light is turning to just touch blue color, right? Okay, now I want to fix this. Yeah, I can use as a base image, as an illustration image. Let me see. Let me check. Make a group, then duplicate this group, then flatten this image. Now we got this image as one layer with normal blend mode, and I'm gonna, well, I can duplicate this one too, but let's see, I want to duplicate this original image, then move this one of the original image, go up over luminosity effect layer. I'm gonna change in rename. Alright, now I changed all the names, and let me see, I'm going to change this original image. Blend mode change to, look at this, linear burn. Such a color contrast, huh? Color burn. That's cool. Wow, so impressive, this reddish leaves. That's really cool. Yeah, I like this color burn effect on original image. That's cool. Color contrast 70%. That's pretty nice. 60. Yeah. Well. Let me see. Original image over pencil drawing type image. This is luminosity effect. Now I'm going to change to, I'm looking for, well, I like this luminosity effect image. Base over original image color burn effect 60% is so much nice as a base image. Then I want to see the outline of the glass, broken glass background. So I'm looking for the image to show nice background glass. So this is pretty nice. Divide over original image. Maybe, or let me see. I think this divide shows nice glass expression. So in this case, I'm gonna pick some image from this group image, which is original base image, pencil drawing type image, change blend mode, divide, max. This is nice image or background glass, broken glass. Well, now I have, okay, this is the base image, right? These two layers. But I want to show some leaves, just a regular image, this image, okay, now maybe, okay, first of all I'm gonna use this effect, then I'm gonna make mask or background glass from here. Okay, I'm gonna fix this image first, so make group of this image, then okay, duplicate this group, then flatten this image. Now we got the luminosity effect layer, but original color burn effect. Okay, this is one layer. Then let's see, turn it off, this group image. Then now check this glass image is nice on this group, but not everything. Not much. Okay, in this case, okay, I'm gonna make mask on this base image. Make mask. Now how am I gonna show this base original image on this effect image? Let's see. Okay, let's choose brush. Well, I've been using this specular abstract, some kind of sketching type image. We are looking at the base original image, huh? Now I'm gonna emphasize some colors on background. Let's see if I turn on this divide effect, touch lighter, touch light colors. Okay, I'm gonna add some color. Nice leaves color here, orange. So it will real nice bluer color. Okay, I'm gonna add layer on top, then change mode, blend mode, change blend mode to color, then use airbrushing to soft brush. Now add some blue. Then make mask. Okay, now I'm gonna add mask, brushes, specular. Alright. Yep, I guess that's it. Pretty cool. That's nice, I think. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and let's be creative. Let's make something interesting images. Well, thank you again, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. That's cool. I like this. Yep.